Say Ioanna. Hello, my name's Ioanna. Today I'm going to teach you how to write numbers 1 to 10.
Hey, Ioanna, can you show us how to write the number 1?
Sure.
Wow! How did you do that?
Well, to write the number 1, begin at the top. Draw a straight line down to the bottom.
Amazing!
Now you give it a shot. Good job!
How about showing us how to write the number 2?
Absolutely.
Cool! How did you do that?
Well, to write the number 2, draw a curve going around. Then make your way to the bottom. Now finish off by drawing a line across.
Amazing!
Do you want to try? Fantastic!
Can you write the number 3 as well?
You bet!
Whoa! Can you walk us through that?
Well, to write the number 3, begin at the top. Draw a curve going down to the middle. Then draw another curve going down to the bottom.
Fantastic!
Your turn. Good!
How about showing us the number 4?
Yes!
Cool! Can you tell us your steps?
Of course! To write the number 4, begin at the top. Draw a line down to the middle. Then draw a line across. Then put your pencil back to the top and draw a line going straight to the bottom.
Amazing!
Your turn. Fantastic!
Would you mind writing the number 5?
Sure.
Whoa! How did you do that?
Well, to write the number 5, start at the top, draw a line across, then draw a straight line down to the middle. Finally, draw a curved line down to the bottom.
Fantastic!
Try it out yourself. Good job!
Thanks for teaching us. Can we move on to the number 6?
Absolutely.
Whoa! I want to do that too. Can you teach me?
Yes! To write the number 6, begin at the top. Draw a diagonal line down to the middle. Then curve down to the bottom and make a circle.
Super!
Do you want to try? Good job!
I think the next number is 7.
Yes, let me write it for you.
Whoa! Looks cool. Can you teach me how you did that?
Well, to write the number 7, begin at the top. Draw a line going across. Then draw a diagonal line down to the bottom.
Fantastic!
Now you give it a shot. Good!
Okay, so now we're on the number 8.
Okay!
Okay, you're really good at this. How did you do that?
Well, to write the number 8, begin at the top. Draw a curved line down to the middle. Then draw another curved line to the bottom to make an S shape. Then curve back up to the middle. Finally, curve again to the top.
Unbelievable! I'm going to practice that one a lot.
Do you want to try? Fantastic!
Now, how about the number 9? Can you do that one for us?
Sure, sounds good.
Okay, you're really good at this. How did you do that?
Well, to write the number 9, begin at the top, curve around like a circle. Then go straight down to the bottom.
Super!
Your turn. Wow!
Holy cow! We've learned a lot of numbers today. Let's finish off with the number 10, shall we?
Okay.
Whoa! Can you describe what you did?
Yes. To write the number 10, let's start with 1. Begin at the top. Draw a straight line down to the bottom. For the 0, also start at the top. Then draw a circle all the way around. Try it out yourself. Woohoo! If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel.